Hi, so welcome to my cooking channel. So it's been 3 hours I'm at it. The lasagna is almost ready. It's a really long process. It took me 3 hours to prepare everything, and I think it's better to make it when I have like 2-3 days off. Still, it's a tedious job. So I would say that if you want to make lasagna, make sure you have the entire day to rest and 3-4 hours separately to make the lasagna. I made a vegetable lasagna because this was my first time, so I thought I would just experiment with vegetables. Next time I make it, I'm gonna use some kind of meat. Let's see. Hello guys. So the thing is, when I'm not flying and when I'm on rest, I do this kind of things. Paint my face, either I am somebody else. Today I'm Amy Winehouse. I was creating content for my Instagram. I did this makeup, and if you don't know Amy Winehouse, go listen to her songs. She was an amazing artist. That's my setup. That's where I sit and film all the reels, most of them.